Good morning. This is a sunrise time lapse. I work out every morning, Monday through Friday. Not always easy while traveling, but I do my best. I gained a little weight and really want to focus on my health, so I started walking 10,000 steps a day. So far, so good. Like they say, a body in motion stays in motion, and that's my goal. Another beautiful morning, and the surfers and paddleboarders are out. Even the storms are beautiful, but I don't like the boat out there in the lightning. I guess I'll be walking inside tonight. Such a colorful sunrise this morning. I spent the day working and running errands, but I made it back in time for my walk on the beach. The moonlight on the ocean. This morning I noticed a fitness group out there, or maybe it was military training, I'm not sure. But it was motivating. Time to get some work done, organize, make some phone calls. This to me looks like a mistake, but I'm gonna go with it. The broccoli turned out just fine. Put it over a little pasta, olive oil. Not bad. It's a very big jellyfish. I don't think I've ever seen this big. I had a nice long walk today. I got all of my steps in pretty early too. Another great morning, time to work out. I watched the kite surfer for a while. Apparently I did more watching than walking. So when I got up to the condo, I did have to catch up on my steps before bed. When I travel and I'm not really sure about the security, I make sure I have add a lock. I'm not sure if they're still available. It seems to work pretty good for me, so I'm gonna try to do this. I don't know how I can do this while I'm holding the phone. So basically you open the door and you slide this in. So I have that in there, and I let the door close. So it's in, so it's in there solid. And then you put this little knob here. You stick it in the holes. Like so. Good. And then when you go to open the door, it won't open. So if there's no deadbolt and you're just not sure how secure it is, that does work. Every morning when I wake up to this, I can't help but smile, and I give a little thanks. I'm going to get away from the beach a little bit and go do some sightseeing. So this is Bailey River Bridge Gardens Park. It's hard to see, but there are dolphins next to that boat. I thought that bird was a sculpture, but it is real. Just sitting there. Birds don't like me. I guess I'm gonna try to walk by the bird without getting attacked. Okay, here we go. There are some dolphins out there. They're a little hard to see. A couple guys fishing there, and the bird was just waiting, hoping for some snacks. Peaceful place. The benches have quotes on them, like this one. If you're not willing to look stupid, nothing great is ever going to happen to you. There's a bait shop right there for the people fishing. Very neat area. Do not speak to God about your mountains. Speak to your mountains about your God. We're up to 99 degrees out. Nice Saturday afternoon. And with gray days, we get rainbows. Here's a few beautiful sunrises. Another workout, another walk, and then I'm off to do more exploring. I already had a bite. It's really good. Okay, so I ate the whole thing. And I have to say, sitting in a hot car, 93 degrees outside, and this stayed frozen the whole time. It barely melted. The place is called Curly Cream Rolled Ice Cream, and I think it's in Holly Hills, Florida. So I just saw a naked woman walking down the street. I wonder if I should turn around and get some video. I don't think I will. That's Florida for you. Dunlawton Sugar Mill Gardens. Wonderful place to get away, walk around. You feel a little bit isolated. It's enchanting. Those leaves. Those are really cool. What is that, I wonder? I like it. I think I'm lost. Oh my gosh. What in the world? I don't know if I caught that, but that branch just fell. A big branch. But that is a really cool tree. I love that. I don't want to stand under it. Look at those trees. How beautiful they are. Did that tree just make me slow down and appreciate my surroundings? I think this is gnomes and birdhouses. Where are the fairies? Guess it's all gnomes. Yeah. Gnomes only. Look at those branches, so low. Very pretty. There were several days where the ocean was calm, and then you were able to see the dolphins very clearly. It was really something to watch. Now this is one of my favorites. 3 or 4 come up all at once. The moon and starry nights. This beach in Florida, just the wide open space, it's so calming. It's Sunday morning and I decided to try out this drive-in church not far from the ocean, and it almost looks like an old drive-in theater, but now you just tune your radio to 88.5 and this should be interesting. I'm really looking forward to it. I have my bread in the top and some wine or grape juice, I'm not sure what it is, but so I'm really excited about this. I haven't had communion for a long time. There's a bell ringing on the radio station. So this gives you an idea what it looks like. There's still more people coming. So there's the minister up there talking.
With us today, especially if this is the first time that you've ever been here with us at the Drive-In Christian Church. We want to welcome you, especially this morning.
I love this drive-in church, and I will return. I might even listen to it online. I've decided to cut my Florida trip a little short because a hurricane is on the way. it does sound a little loud out there this morning. Well, okay, I'm gonna say goodbye to this beautiful ocean. My next video is Kennedy Space Center, where I'm fortunate enough to catch a rocket launch. Join me.